I'm Anupi Singla with Indian as Apple Pie. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lamb stew in a coconut curried broth using tons of ginger and cilantro. So we've got the oil heating up here. You can use canola, vegetable oil, grapeseed, or ghee. And I'm going to put some cumin seed in there. They're going to go ahead and kind of snap, crackle, and pop almost as they heat up in the oil, and all of the essential oils and flavors are pulled out of the cumin. And as that starts to crackle, we're going to go ahead and put our ginger. I like to cut my ginger in strips, so we've got it right in there as whole pieces. A little bit of that cilantro got stuck in the ginger, but that's okay. So we're going to fry that up in the oil quickly. And as those long, beautiful pieces of ginger start to fry up, we're going to go ahead and put our lamb in. And this is lamb cubed. You can go in and ask for the stew style lamb. They'll cut it up for you right at the butcher's, or go into your grocery store. It's going to stick a little bit, so we're going to use a little bit of chicken broth to loosen it up. About a cup. So as the lamb heats up and starts to cook, we're going to go ahead and put our coconut milk in. We've got essentially 2 cups of coconut milk. You can use light, you can use full fat, either way. I like a ton of cilantro in here, so I'm just going to go ahead and put about 2 cups of cilantro. And then I want some spice, so I've got some red chili powder in there and a little bit of coriander. And you're going to salt it up with whatever you prefer. I put about 2 teaspoons of salt in here. And basically you're going to let that cook down and simmer on a low heat. It's going to take you at least about 20-25 minutes to really get that all cooked through and all those beautiful spices through there. So we'll just kind of let that sit. We're going to cover it up and let it cook down. This lamb stew in coconut milk is absolutely delicious and a really fun stew to serve over rice or with some thick Indian bread like naan or homemade rotis. Hope you enjoy it. I'm Anupi Singla with Indian as Apple Pie.